Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you about classification of monosaccharides. Classification of monosaccharides. Monosaccharides were classified into different types based on the number of carbons. Very first one, trioses. Number of carbons are 3. Trioses are called simplest monosaccharides. Common formula is C3H6O3. Example, dihydroxyacetone phosphate, DHAP, phosphoglyceraldehyde, PGAL. Second one, tetroses. Number of carbons are 4. Common formula is C4H8O4. Example, erythrose and erythrolose. Monosaccharides were classified based on number of carbons. Trioses contains 3 number of carbons, which are also called simplest monosaccharides. Common formula C3H6O3. Example, DHAP and PGAL. Tetroses, number of carbons are 4. Common formula is C4H8O4. Example, erythrose and erythrolose. Third one, pentoses. Number of carbons are 5. Common formula is C5H10O5. Examples, xylose, xylulose, arabinose, deoxyribose, ribose, ribulose. Fourth one, hexoses. Number of carbons are 6. Common formula is C6H12O6. Example, glucose, fructose and galactose. Pentoses contains 5 number of carbons. Common formula is C5H10O5. Examples, xylose, xylulose, arabinose, deoxyribose, ribose, ribulose. Hexoses contains 6 number of carbons. Common formula C6H12O6. Example, glucose, fructose and galactose. Let's check the diagrammatic representation of ribose and deoxyribose. Ribose present in RNA, ATP, FAD, FMN, NAD. Molecular formula is C5H10O5. Deoxyribose present in DNA. Molecular formula is C5H10O4. Here we have to see the second carbon of ribose and deoxyribose. In ribose, second carbon contains hydrogen and hydroxyl group, but in case of deoxyribose, second carbon contains free hydrogen on both sides. Hexoses. Hexoses contains 6 number of carbons. Common formula is C6H12O6. Example, glucose, fructose, galactose. Heptoses. Number of carbons are 7. Heptoses are largest monosaccharides. Common formula C7H14O7. Example, pseudoheptulose. Hexoses, number of carbons are 6. Common formula is C6H12O6. Example, glucose, fructose, galactose. Heptoses, number of carbons are 7. Common formula is C7H14O7. Examples, pseudoheptulose. Glucose. It is abundant in grapes, so known as grape sugar. It is abundant in blood also, so known as blood sugar. Main respiratory substance. It rotates ppl in right, which means clockwise direction. So it is dextrorotatory and also known as dextrose. Fructose sweetest carbohydrate, more abundant in honey and some fruits, so it is also known as fruit sugar. Rotates ppl in left anti-clockwise direction, so it is levorotatory and also known as levolose. Glucose is also called grape sugar because it is abundant in grapes, and also called blood sugar because it is abundant in blood, and also called dextrose. Fructose is sweetest carbohydrate, abundant in honey and sweet fruits, so also known as fruit sugar or levolose. Galactose, most abundant in brain and nervous tissue, so it is also called brain sugar. It is never occurs in free form. It always occurs as a component of some compounds. Example, lactose. Galactose, most abundant in brain and nervous tissue, so called as brain sugar. It never occurs in free form. It always occurs as a component in most of the compounds. Example, lactose. Up to here, we completed monosaccharides completely. Monosaccharides introduction and classification of monosaccharides.